in historic Notch Hill in the Shuswap area of British Columbia, but it's too dark to film us. But you don't want to see us anyway. You're here to see the holiday train, and so are we, and it's going to come up right after this.
I try not to watch it. It makes my throat close up.
Oh, it's bright. Beautiful lights, yeah, and that they all move and animated. I don't know.
Yeah. And all the work will stay there on your cars.
My mom wanted to be you. And she did. She succeeded. I'm the only one in the world who got spelling. I love holiday music. And I'm known for like dance music and cool club music. But
Looks like a bunch of
secretly,
bubbles
I write
in
a
a
lot
carriage.
of Christmas songs that nobody gets
pretty
to
cool,
hear. So
though.
when they're like, "You want to come on the holiday train?" I was like, "Yes! Yes, please!" And I'm so excited because I now get to sing you another one of my Christmas songs, which without you. Thank you so much. Okay, these are your words, right? Oh! That's it. Okay? Think about that. Process of memory. This side. Your words are and then we go back here. We go ooh, ooh. at you, you just say that word, okay? Ready? And anybody who feels like dancing, this is your chance. One more time. Amazing.
Is everybody having a good time? Yeah. So welcome to the 2023 CPKc Holiday Train. It is the 25th anniversary of this incredibly beautiful train. And since 1999, you have helped this program raise over $22.5 million and 5 million pounds of food for neighbors who need your help. So give yourselves a round of applause. So we've got a couple of special guests here with us tonight. We have MP Mel Arnold. We have Director Natalia Melnichuk and special guest Daniela. And we have CPKc Railroader Brad Templeton, who is here to present a check. We're pleased to present a check for $4,000. MP Arnold, would you like to say a few words?
Merry Christmas, Notch Hill. Is there a better way to bring in the Christmas season than with the CPKc holiday train? What do you think? Yeah! So thank you all of you for showing up tonight to support the holiday train and the food bank. We know that there's so much help needed this year. Everything you can do to help out makes so much difference to those in need. Thank you again for being here, and Merry, Merry Christmas.
We are such a beautiful community. You guys look absolutely amazing tonight. I just want to send a special thanks to CPKc for stopping in our community and for making this beautiful donation. The Sorrento Food Bank for helping coordinate. The fire department, of course, for providing us with safe parking. And also, we know this has been a tough year for our communities out here in the south and the North Shuswap. This is, oh my goodness, if it wasn't for our fire departments, if it wasn't for even the help of CPKc too, in terms of that fire line, we might not be standing here in Notch Hill today. So an extra special thanks tonight. This train brings Canada together, and this is what we need. We need community and we need unity, and that's what this is all about, and I'm so, so happy to be here with all of you. Thank you.
My heart and my blood keeps on rushing. There's no
our show, one more reminder, stay safe around trains and tracks. We want you to have a safe and happy Christmas. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, everyone.